ask obviously what their whole business is about. So, like example, like lead gen, like the final call to action will be like maybe Calendly link or something, or like a sign up thing. Google like landing page designs, just to sort of get like a feel for the aesthetic, like the layout or whatever. And then I'll make a sketch, like the app sketch, to kind of do a mock up of the design, so like how it would look as a final sort of thing. And then once I like it, I'll send it over to clients, see if they like it. If they like it, I'll build it all out. I'll build the final thing. It depends if it's like a really simple sort of thing, I'll use card. But if it's like a more complex, I'll use ClickFunnels. Um, Finalize the design, send it over. If they like it, do the copy, and then from them tell me what they need, sketching it on pen and paper, and then the sketch app to make like a small mock-up, send it over. If they like it, build the entire thing, send that back over. If they like that, and then just throw the copy in, and then that's it.